if you are visiting Islands of Adventure between now and I think sometime in February, I'm gonna have to check the date and put it here below. Just be aware that the Dudley Do-Rights Ripsaw Falls is closed for cleaning and refurbishment. It is not closed permanently, it's just this is their annual maintenance period. Here's another look at the construction walls. Again, this happens every single year. Next month, it will be Popeye and Blueto's bilge rat barges that'll be shut down for their annual cleaning and maintenance. You can see they drain it and thoroughly go through and check everything and make sure everything is in working order and also clean. And also, of course, they're painting. Basically, they're putting up structures and doing things that would disrupt, that couldn't be finished overnight. So it just keeps the ride looking and working great. Here again are the walls. I don't know what that was. That was the gimbal that did that. That was a little weird. So that's just a really quick update for those who might be coming to Universal Orlando, hoping to go on the Dudley Do-Rights Ripsaw Falls. Your journey will end in tears. But now you're prepared. And being prepared is half the battle.